Hi, I'm Heidi Robinson. I'm the Technical Services Manager for Smart Technology. The Smart Zone is a £1.3 million project that has reimagined the ground floor and the first floor of the Mellor building. It has brought together existing equipment from all over the campus and also introduced lots of new equipment to create facilities that are available and visible for all. This is our new breakout space where students can sit and relax, use their own devices, have coffee, catch up with friends, and we've also reupholstered and recycled some existing furniture to keep with our environmentally friendly theme. Here is the makerspace. It's a drop-in facility and people can just come and do whatever they need to realise their projects. So here they can do soldering, gluing, light sanding, some light manufacture work. So here we are in the 3D factory. This is our bureau service and this is where you'll find support staff for this ground floor area. We have a counter service where students can come and book their slots on the 3D printers and the laser cutters, and also to get any advice for using the Smart Zone. So here we are in the 3D printer room. So we have a range of 8 3D printers, and here students can experiment using different filaments and different materials, like the Mark Forge, which has carbon fibre in it. We get PLA, so a bit more environmentally friendly, ABS. So there'll be a whole range of materials, a whole range of printers, each with their own characteristics. Here we are in our specialist PC lab. Each workstation has a high-end PC, dual monitors and the Wacom Intuos Pro Medium tablets, and also a range of specialist software.
At the other end of the corridor, students can find our dedicated suite of laser scanning facilities, enabling them to use our various laser scanners and perform close-range photogrammetry for their projects. Welcome to the XR Lab, where we mix actual reality with virtual reality. In here, students can experiment with a variety of different game environments and gameplay scenarios. We have 2 virtual reality spaces where students from any course can book out a headset and experience incredible VR demos. The virtual reality development space allows up to 12 students to simultaneously develop their own VR applications. The visualization and simulation studio is booked out by students who wish to perform laser scanning on large objects or photogrammetry. While the HandyScan is ideal for objects of small to medium sizes, we can also facilitate the laser scanning of environments of up to 70 meters using the Faro S70.
So that was a whistle-stop tour of our new Smart Zone facilities. Hope to see you soon at Open Day, where you're welcome to come and have a look around for yourself.